Hey guys, wanna know how to upgrade your Asphalt 9 to the latest version? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how to do it. It's super simple, so let's get straight to it. Now, you need to keep in mind that you cannot directly upgrade a game from the application itself. So for that, what you gotta do is you gotta head to the Play Store first and just simply search up for Asphalt 9. Now right here you can see Asphalt Legends Unite. This is Asphalt 9. So just simply click on it. Now right here, instead of play, which shows for me, there should be showing update. So if there is update shown, just simply press on it and there you go. Your Asphalt Legends Unite or Asphalt 9 will start upgrading and you will be able to play the latest and updated version. And that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.